Yeah.
Unbelievable, man. I was looking at the guy, what the fuck, man? Look at him, man.
He's on his phone.
He's texting.
That's when we go on the side.
Dude.
He's just chilling.
He's a motorbike, man.
Hey, what if you say? That's crazy, dude.
Dude, this is unbelievable. This is unreal. He's turning everything.
He's doing it all, bro.
He's turning everything.
Yo, what?